Hi, James McCloskey from Remax Realty Enterprises. Here in beautiful Georgetown, my brand new listing here at Georgetown Estates, which is a very, very rare end corner unit in this exclusive enclave of townhouses. 1,652 square feet, 3 bedrooms, 3 bath, fully finished basement with a wet bar and electric fireplace. Upstairs you have 2 walk-in closets, a 5-piece ensuite. Main floor you've got a beautiful kitchen, sun-filled with all these extra windows over here. Hardwood floors in the living room and dining room. And not to mention, we have a community pool, an in-ground heated community pool that only the residents get to use. So in those warm summer months, you'll be sitting here cooling off. Welcome to 76 River Drive, Unit 29. The living and dining room feature hardwood floors, large windows, California shutters, and great views of the in-ground pool. The large kitchen has plenty of room for a table, very large and bright windows, backsplash, and overlooks the pool and private backyard. The primary bedroom is impressive in size and features a walk-in closet area, 5-piece ensuite, and large sun-filled windows. The second and third bedroom feature large closets and broadloom. The laundry is conveniently located on the second floor for easy access. The basement is fully finished with a large recreation room, electric fireplace, and wet bar. A great area to watch movies or entertain your guests. The backyard features a new fence in 2022, meticulously cared for gardens and plants, and features a beautiful tree for privacy and shade. The outdoor pool is a great way to cool off in those warm summer months. Well, hope you enjoyed the tour here today at 76 River Drive, Unit 29. I told you, this is one beautiful home. I think there's going to be a lot of interest in this property just to how rare it is. You know, there's only been a couple sales here in the last couple of years, so it's very rare that people live, and even rare that you got a corner lot. Follow me on social media at #HomeJamesRemax. Call or message me today for more information or book your private tour. And have yourself a beautiful day.